Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide or unhide a file or folder on Windows 10 PC. To hide or to hide a file or folder, first select it and then right click on it. Then choose this one properties option and in the general tab, check this one option hidden and click on this one apply. In case Windows prompts, click on this one OK button. Then click on this one OK button. Now particular folder will be hidden on your Windows 10 PC. To unhide it, first open File Explorer and then click on this one View in the menu and then check this one option Hidden Items. Now all the hidden files and folders will be appear on your Windows 10 PC. In case you want to permanently unhide a particular file or folder, select it and then right click on it and then here check this one option hidden, uncheck this one option hidden and click on this one apply and then click OK. This will permanently unhide that file or folder on your Windows 10 PC.